Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Michelle. In this video we are going to discuss the Classroom Dashboard Instructional Media for the parents and the students. So here I am logged into the members side and I am at the Classroom Dashboard. You can get to the Classroom Dashboard by clicking on classes in the top of the screen. As a parent, you can switch your dashboard. If you're an instructor, you'll see parent view, or you can go to a child's view. As a student, you will not have the option to switch dashboards. You'll just come to your dashboard. So I'm going to be directing this to both parents and students, but I'll stay on the student's dashboard. So from the dashboard, you're going to click on either a class that you're looking for instructional media on, or you can also see we have a new widget called Instructional Media. Parents, if you don't see this on your dashboard, you will need to speak to your administrator and ask them to put it on their dashboard. So you can click on a media that's been placed here by your teacher. So we're going to go ahead and click on Adventures in Reading, and we can see that it opens up to the tab Instructional Media, which is on the class home page. Here we can see that this instructor has provided a Zoom class that she's going to be given on 3/27 at 10 a.m. And here you'll see a live feed. If you click on it, it's going to take you over to the platform that she's using as an instructor to do a live class. And if the event is a future event, you'll see a calendar icon that you can click on and add this event to your personal calendar by choosing one of the calendars here that we offer to you. And that way your personal calendar can remind you on your phone when the event is coming up. If it's a class that has been pre-recorded or maybe you missed it, the teacher can also give you a link under the archived column. If you've missed a live class, your teacher can provide you with a URL under the archived column that when you click on it, it'll take you to the recorded class that she or he has hosted. If you take a look over here under scheduled and posted, you'll see the dates of the actual, if it's a live class, it's coming up, or if it's already happened and when it happened. So this particular online class happened on the 19th and it was at 10 a.m. and then you have a future one here on the 27th that's coming up at 10 a.m. If you have any further questions in this area, please see your instructor regarding your instructional media that he or she has posted for you.